Lacrosse ball rolling for your feet should be very simple, but also extremely important for the muscles of your feet. When we spend a lot of times in shoes, they get really tense and tight, and then they don't want to work as well as they should to support our arches. So from here, what we're going to do is start behind the big toe, right behind the ball of your foot. Place a little bit of pressure down as much as you can stand, and just start to roll forward on the lacrosse ball, slowly all the way down to your heel. Come over to the middle of your foot slightly, and then go all the way back up. And then basically what we want to do is think of like mowing the lawn. We're going to go back and forth, covering each spot by about half until we get all the way to the lateral side of your foot. And then what I'll do from there is just go back and forth, and what we want to do is really find those real tense, tight spots, and then just kind of push down and slowly start to work out the tight knots in the bottom of your foot.